Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and this is the second episode of learning makeup from the scratch. And before that, let me tell you one thing, skin prep is a must. So grab any toner out there in the market which you like. I'm using Tony Moly toner because it's a blessing for dry skin girlies. Trust me when I'm saying this. And you just have to put 2 to 3 drops onto your face and you have to gently press it onto your skin. You just have to make sure that all the products out there should be utilized efficiently for giving you hydration, and I'm patting it gently just to kind of depuff it. So yeah, moving to the second step, which is grabbing a serum out there, and I'm using serum from Quench, which contains 96% snail mucin and also hyaluronic acid as well as niacinamide. Again, like I have told you earlier, you just have to press it. And yeah, please don't go with a lot of products. Again, I'm telling you, you just have to use 2 to 3 drops of it, and that's it. And you have to gently press it into your skin and glide your hands onto your face to see the magic. Now the third step comes in, and we're using a moisturizer. Here I am using a moisturizer from Bioderma, where I just need a pea amount of it, and that's gonna go a long way, long way, because its consistency is thick and it just provides you a concentrate amount of hydration, and it is there for a very long time into my vanity. I'm using it and I'm loving it. So you have to massage your face with this moisturizer in an upward direction so that it can give a temporary effect of lifting your face. But if you will keep doing it for a long time, you can see the difference. And the next step is completely optional, guys. If you do want to have a lifted effect, a better blood circulation, a better flow, and released tension from your skin, you can do this gua sha routine, which I generally do, because like I have told you, it helps in decrease the tension from your skin and improves the blood flow, where you can see that I will be getting some redness while doing this. That's the sign of the blood flow going on and a better circulation. It won't leave my face with a red spot for a very long time, but just 2 to 3 minutes, that's it, and you'll be getting a beautiful glow after using gua sha. So here I'm showing how are the sides of the gua sha can be used onto different areas of your face, because you see there's a structure in the gua sha. That's for a reason, and the reason is there where I'm showing it. Neck area as well, because that's also the part of your face, and whatever you do on your face, you have to do it on your neck as well. So after completing this on all over your face, you have to grab that side of the gua sha which I have shown in the video, and then to the neck area as well. Now comes the step where we are gonna protect our face from getting damaged by the UV rays. Guys, it doesn't matter whether you are inside, you're outside, whether it's raining or not, you have to have apply this every day religiously. And last but not the least, I'm going to wrap it up with a lip balm, and here it is from Laneige that I'm using it. Trust me, I've used a ton of lip balms out there, but this is my favorite, and it lasts so long and your lip will thank you later. So yeah, that was the skin prep.